So in continuation of chapter 13, that is surface area and volume, we will now begin with the next solid shape, that is cylinder. So in this entire exercise, the next exercise, we will be dealing with the surface areas of cylinders. In the previous one, we have done surface areas of cubes and cuboids. So a cylinder, this is what a cylinder looks like. Now here we need to have the radius of the cylinder and the height. So this is the radius of the circular portion of the cylinder and height. With these two we can find the surface area and volume. So formula for volume is pi r square h, where r is the radius, square of the radius multiplied by the height. This is the formula for volume of a cylinder. Now for the surface, if you look at the surface of the cylinder, it is having two circular portions. This is one circular portion and this one is another circular portion. So two circles are there and one rectangle is there. If you try to join the two ends of this rectangle, it will form a cylinder, an open one. And if you want a covered cylinder, then you need two circular ends. So surface area of the cylinder will be 2 pi r square, 2 pi r square because this is pi r square and this is another pi r square. We already know area of a circle, that is pi r square. This is one more pi r square. So when you add these two, you will get 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. That is this one. This is 2 pi r h. Because this is the height, if you consider this as a rectangle, then this one, when you roll it up, it will form a circle. So this is forming the circular end and circumference of the circular end will be 2 pi r. So this is 2 pi r. This is also 2 pi r. This is the height. So area of a rectangle is length into breadth. Here length is 2 pi r and breadth is height. So area will be 2 pi r h. So if you're finding only the lateral surface area of a cylinder or the curved surface area of a cylinder, then it will be 2 pi r h. But if you're finding the total surface area of a cylinder, then it will be 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So this is the total. And only the curved surface area, that will be 2 pi r h. So the curved surface area, this is the first question of exercise 13.2. The curved surface area of a right circular cylinder of height 14 centimeter is 88 centimeter square. Find the diameter of the base of the cylinder. So the curved surface area is already given as 88 centimeter square. That is 2 pi r h. That is the formula for the curved surface area. This is already given as 88 and height is given as 14. So this is h and this is 2 pi r h. So with that you can find the radius. So you will equate 2 pi r h is equal to 88. Then pi value you can put 22 by 7. It is already given. 22 by 7 you have to assume into r into 14. That is the height is 88. So when you transpose the terms, you can find the value of radius. And with the radius, you can find the diameter of the base. That is 2 centimeter. So in second question, it is required to make a closed cylindrical tank of height 1 meter and base diameter 140 centimeter from a metal sheet. How many square meters of the sheet are required for the same? So here, since the sheet is being used for making the cylindrical tank, that sheet will be covering the entire surface of the tank. So here you need to find the surface area. Now since it is a closed cylindrical tank, so therefore both ends are closed. So therefore you will be finding the total surface area over here, 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. That will be the formula used. Now from that formula, if you take 2 pi r common, you will get this formula. Total surface area is 2 pi r into h plus r. And here you will substitute the values that are given to you. Height is given as 1 meter and this is given as 140 centimeter. This is the diameter. So the diameter will be converted to radius. Now since here height is given in meter and diameter is given in centimeter, you will have to convert it. So here I have converted 70 centimeter to 0.7 meter. Either both have to be in centimeter or both have to be in meter. Then when you substitute all the given values and solve, you will get 7.48 square meters of the sheet. So this is the surface area of the cylinder. So these many square meters of the sheet will be required to make it.